So it's really the pace of change, it's that speed of change, with the requirements. So if you look at, for example, with e-commerce, as a consumer, we want everything quicker, faster, more cost effective. We want to order something and receive it within a 2 or 3 hour window. So if you think about businesses and end users, then they have to adapt. They have to be quicker, smarter, more agile, basically. And what do they need to do that? They need technology, basically. And us as a technology provider, Honeywell and our channel partners, we need to evolve. We need to, keep pace with that and provide offerings that can help end users to meet those demands. Yeah, so Honeywell started that journey to become a software company some time ago. So we're well embarked upon that. So we know that we can't lead based on products. I mean, products are important. You see how we started that journey as well to evolve with Mobility Edge, which is a platform. It's not just a product. There's everything in there which helps with regards to OS, mobile application development, security, that whole area. So we're really focused on building solution stacks for our partners, in areas such as, services, everything that can create a complete offering and help end users meet those business needs. Yeah, and what we see, our partners need to evolve their business models as well to do that. We have a lot of partners that already are involved in software and integration. At Honeywell, we're helping our partners to be scalable. So for example, we've just launched a marketplace, which is where our partners can meet ISVs to expand their offering. We're also looking at different financing models, which really blends to that as a service approach, because if you think about the investment that end users need to make to meet these new business demands, they have to look at IoT applications, different technologies, and that all goes back to financing. So with an as a service model, Honeywell is also providing a solution in that area for our partners to be more scalable to meet that opportunity. Yeah, I think it's that conversion. So if you look at traditional buying channels, it's absolutely been disrupted. So you look at tech companies, for example, they're getting involved in more traditional industries. You take some of the obvious ones where they're going from e-commerce to actually doing logistics and being 3PLs themselves. So I don't think an end user can rely on the traditional way that they bought product to market. They have to really focus on the customer experience to bring value. And the customer experience in many cases is around data analytics, using that data to bring a product that's more relevant to the consumer. The other key aspect as well is supply chain, and that whole delivery aspect is it has a huge amount of value to an end user. They have to be quick, they have to be cost effective in getting product to the consumer, because there's so many different ways that a consumer is going to demand that product through omni-channel, for example. I mean, if you think about, I was reading about a retailer that's going to be using their own rail freight, for example, because they want to do cost management and control quality around it. That's really like looking at things end to end. And another, a very big name that's probably in all our family homes for over 100 years, they're having a huge amount of pressure in the stock market at the moment because they haven't evolved to meet the need of consumers effectively. So I think they're the big challenges. And what that does, us as a technology provider, Honeywell and as a channel, I mean, that's a great opportunity to add value and help consumers or end users meet those business needs. Yeah, so I think it's all about collaboration and alliances. And again, it's about a channel partner giving the business scalability. So Honeywell, we recently launched the marketplace, so marketplace.honeywell, where other partners can connect with ISVs. And there's all sorts of solutions on there. There's the classic MDMs, there's application migration tools, there's verticalized offering. And that blends really well with BlueStar's expertise with appware. So again, it's about creating connections so we can really address those end user pain points and improve those workflow processes as well. Again, I have to mention our performance partner program. Whilst it's a year of stability around that, we're very focused working closely and rewarding those partners that drive loyalty with us and making sure it's a profitable community for all of our partners to grow in.